Okay, let's just dive right in. Your literature exams are getting closer and closer. And if you're feeling that pressure, listen up. We're about to unlock a strategy that will totally overhaul your revision, especially if you feel like you're running out of time. This is your literature revision cheat code. This quote right here, it just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? You get a mock result back that you're not happy with, and what's your first instinct? Go straight back to page one. It feels like you're doing something productive, but honestly, it's a trap, a huge one, and it wastes the one thing you can't get more of. Come on, be honest. You've done this, right? After a tough mock, you found yourself just staring at the first page of an inspector calls, hoping it'll all just magically sink in. Hey, you're not alone. We've all been there, but it's a habit we have to break. Like right now. Okay, so here's the absolute key to everything. Rereading a book is passive. You're just letting the words flow over you. It's kind of like watching a sports match on TV. You see what's happening, but you're not getting any stronger. Active revision, well, that's you on the field, playing the game. It's making your brain work, forcing it to remember stuff, to connect the dots. That's what actually gets results. And let's be real here, the clock is ticking. Every single hour you spend just passively rereading is a precious hour you could have spent doing stuff that'll actually push your grade up. We need a strategy that's smart, that's efficient, and that respects your time. And I mean, just look at the difference. It's not even a contest. Passive rereading just eats up your time, you barely remember any of it, and worst of all, it gives you this false sense of security. You think you know it because you just read it. Active revision is the total opposite. It's fast, it builds up your memory for the exam, and it's completely focused on what you're actually going to face on the day. Okay, so if rereading is the enemy, what's the solution? What is this smarter, more effective way to prep? This is what we're calling the cheat code. And just to be clear, it's not a way to cheat in the exam, it's a way to cheat the clock and revise way more effectively. So meet your new best friend, the cheat sheet. This is a super powerful one-page document you're going to create for each text. The whole idea is to squeeze 2 years of notes, essays, and everything else down to the absolute must-know essentials. We're talking killer quotes, the big themes, and that all-important context. Now, the really important part to get is that making the sheet is active revision. See what's happening? You have to sift through all your notes, which forces you to remember them. You have to hunt down the best quotes. Then you organize it all, maybe by character or theme, and you sprinkle in that crucial context. The whole process makes your brain work hard, and that's how you build memory. And here's the twist. The cheat sheet isn't the finish line. Nope. It's the weapon you just built. It's the tool you've sharpened. Making it was the first part of your active revision. Now it's time for part 2. Because from this moment on, your focus needs to shift. Completely. I'm talking 100%, not 90, not 99. 100% of your remaining time needs to be on one single thing. And this is it. This is your new mission, should you choose to accept it. Stop rereading the books. Stop making endless new notes. Your new job is to do past papers. You grab a question, use your new cheat sheet to plan your answer, and you write it. Then you do another one, and another. This is how you prepare for the real thing. So why is this so crazy effective? Well, because it's the only thing that actually feels like the real exam. It builds your technique, it teaches you how to manage the clock, and it shines a giant spotlight on the stuff you don't know, so you can fix it. It forces you to actually use the stuff on your cheat sheet. And you know what? It builds real, earned confidence. When you boil it all down, it comes back to this one simple, powerful idea. You have to make the switch. You've got to go from being a passive reader to an active reviser. Stop just consuming information and start doing something with it. So there you have it. That's the cheat code. It's simple, it's powerful, and trust me, it works. The only question left is the one on your screen. Are you ready to trade in that book for a past paper? Your final grade might just depend on it.